Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds. Today we have got issue 67 of Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. So issue 67, we're still continuing on with the lower right leg, but we're getting more into the ankle foot territory now. Let me show you what we're going to do. So these are the parts that we get in this week's issue. As you can see, we're basically starting the ankle joint and the foot. Get a nice little sprue with some ball joints on there. Let me show you what we're doing with them in the magazine. So when you open up your book, this is what you're always presented with. Make sure you cross-reference your parts and they are the right parts. Then we're going to be cutting these off of the sprue and adding them to the actual foot itself. Then we're going to be connecting these two parts together and basically just screwing them together till we end up with something that looks a little like that. Coming up in next week's issue, we're going to fit the ankle joint to the right leg. So as I said, we don't actually need to bring the Terminator up for this one, so let's get the parts open and start building. Okay, so the first parts it wants to start off with is this one here, which is got the ball joints attached to it. So we're going to need to cut these off. And yeah, I'm going to use my sprue cutters for this to cut these off. And I'm going to cut these all off one by one until they're all off. So 1, 2, and the last one. Just like that. We do not need this sprue anymore, so you can dispose of this, throw it away in the bin. Okay, so with that we've got our ball joints all detached. We want the black screws to start off with, and of these two we've got these two parts here. The one with the actual key notches in here, that's the one we want to start off with first. So all we're going to do is going to take each one of these one by one and start placing them in here, and then we can screw them on from the other side. So let's take a screw, put your finger on there, spin it around, and then just screw it in from the back side. Just like that, and then we'll just keep going. So we're going to put one in the opposite side now, spin it around again. And the very last one goes in this one here, just here. So we can push that one in, grab the screw, and screw that one down as well. Just like that, and you should have the 3 black screws all there. When you turn it over, we've got these ball joints here. Okay, so next we're going to want to bring in this part here. This is going to be the top of the foot, or the bottom of the foot, should I say. And we're going to place that into there. And basically we're going to put some screws just in these 2 points here and here. So let's get some screws. You want the silver screws now. And we could screw that down. Just like that. Mine does have a split there where it doesn't look like it's connecting properly, but I'm sure once we put that into the actual Terminator, it will clamp it forward for us. So whatever we put through here will clamp that down for me. So coming up next time, like I said before, we're going to fit the right ankle joint to the right leg, and that will be coming up next week. So that's it guys, that's issue 67 all complete. Join me next week when we look at issue 68. So yeah, it was supposed to be a video yesterday, but I've been working on the Enterprise and it took up a lot of space. I was doing lots of soldering and everything, so I had to skip a day doing the video so I could concentrate on that and get that out of the way, doing all the electrics for that. So yeah, there's a lot of soldering to do. So next week I have had the next delivery of the Ecto 1, so next week we're pretty much going to have an Ecto 1 week where we get a lot of videos out for that, and probably an Enterprise and a Terminator video as well. So if you like this video guys, please leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Till next time guys, take care, bye bye.